Meron pong kasabihan sa tag-Ingles, little things mean a lot. Little things, they can be positive, but little things mean a lot also in a negative way. Let's talk about corruption. Wala naman sigurong nagnakaw ng malaki kaagad. Nagsisimula yan sa mga maliliit. Una, inuuwi typewriting. At ang katwiran, kailangan ng anak ko sa school dalawa lang namang piraso. So, typewriting. Hanggang sa paulit-ulit na ginagawa, sa bandang huli yung typewriting, naging typewriter na. Iba na yung inuuwi. So nagsimula sa maliit. Dahil pinabayaan, lumaki ng lumaki. And that is why the Lord is warning us, not only the disciples but us, be careful. Even small things can change you either positively or negatively.